Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best mounting bracket kit is probably one of the most crucial components for a safe and efficient ceiling fan installation. Ensuring your fan is securely mounted not only prevents accidents but also optimizes its performance and extends its lifespan. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of ceiling fan mounting bracket kits, helping you choose the perfect one for your needs and ensuring a smooth, secure installation. Number 5. Southwire MSBFAN Electrical Box. Introducing the Southwire MSBFAN, a versatile electrical box designed for ceiling fans and light fixtures. This product is built to provide a secure and reliable mounting solution for your electrical needs. The MSBFAN features depth adjustability, making installation easier than ever. This allows it to fit perfectly within your ceiling, ensuring a flush and professional finish. Compared to nail-on boxes, this product offers a quicker installation process. It saves you time and effort, allowing you to complete your projects more efficiently. The MSBFAN is constructed with extra thick wall material, providing enhanced stability and rigidity. This ensures the box can securely hold ceiling fans up to 50 pounds and light fixtures up to 75 pounds. Need to make changes? The MSBFAN is easily removed without causing damage to the wall. This feature provides flexibility for future modifications or upgrades. Rest assured, this product is UL listed, meeting the highest safety standards. It's a reliable choice for your electrical installations, and it is part of the Southwire family. What we like. This one is depth adjustable, making it easy to fit in various ceiling spaces. It's also quicker to install than a nail-on box. If you are looking for a hassle-free installation and need a sturdy solution, you should consider this. What people say. The functionality of this design allows you to install the box without cutting a hole in the sheetrock bigger than the box itself. The 45-degree angle mounting screws provided with this are very sharp, and kept the box perfectly in place while mounting it. Has several pop-open wire entry windows in different locations to customize the installation. Number 4. Westinghouse 011-0000 Saf-T-Brace for ceiling fans. Introducing the Saf-T-Brace, designed for the safe and secure installation of fans and light fixtures. This is ideal for both new construction and remodeling projects, ensuring everything is properly supported. This brace offers impressive support capabilities. It can handle light fixtures up to 150 pounds on 16-inch centers, and fans up to 70 pounds, providing peace of mind. The design allows you to position the electrical box anywhere along the brace. This flexibility makes installation easier, adapting to your specific needs. The dual-mount electrical box features a 15.5 cubic inch wiring capacity. It's 1 to 1.2 inches deep and includes 6 knockouts for conduit or Romex, ensuring you have plenty of space. The package includes everything you need: the brace, electrical box, Saf-T cap, a Romex connector, mounting hardware, and instructions. It's a comprehensive solution for your installation needs. What we like. This product allows safe and secure installation. It supports light fixtures up to 150 pounds. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile solution for both new constructions and remodels, this is the one for you. What people say. The Saf-T-Brace is a well-made sturdy product that installed easily, worked as specified, and I'm very pleased with it. I've used other types of fan hangers and prefer these for their design. Strong and easy to use, never had one fail. Number 3. Hubbell Raco 936 Retro Brace Ceiling Fan Support. This ceiling fan box is designed for older model fixtures. It helps you preserve your original decor with ease. The electrical box is adjustable for limited joist room. You can expand the brace from 16 to 24 inches without tools, saving you time and effort. Enjoy worry-free bracing for your ceiling fan or light fixture. It provides solid anchorage for ceiling fans up to 70 pounds and ceiling lights up to 110 pounds. Every part is built and tested to strict specifications and industry standards. It meets QLIS, ANSI, and NEMA OS1, rated for safety and durability. The upfront ground screw, unique mounting feet, snap-on bracket, and keyholes make installation a breeze. Get it set up quickly and easily. What we like. This is specially designed for restorations, perfect for older model fixtures. It is also adjustable for joist spacing. If you are renovating an older home and need a bracket that's easy to install, this is a great choice. What people say. This fit fine for a 24 span. The original electrical box was nailed to the truss. It is very adjustable. Also, one side is sitting on a truss plate and this holds on to the truss plate just fine. This support is strong, even at the 24 width. The fan doesn't wobble or move a bit. It feels solid. This support was very easy to install. A really sturdy retrofit support for mounting and supporting even a heavy ceiling fan safely. It is easy to slide into an existing ceiling hole, and can expand up to a 24-inch ceiling joist spacing, then dig into the wood and tighten by twisting the support 5 to 6 rotations. Comes with a nifty electrical box that snaps onto the shaft and all hardware. Comes with the brace and a sturdy box with screws. You even get a ground screw. Everything needed is here. The twist mechanism is the key here. You simply put this into the hole in your ceiling or wall and twist to drive the teeth into the adjacent studs. 3 to 5 twists and this brace is on strong without damaging your studs. The entire device is metal. The other brand uses plastic for the ends. Some other brands don't have feet. This makes it much harder to ensure the ends are level with the ceiling. With the Raco, one sits the brace on the ceiling. Then you can adjust and take as many breaks as you want before tightening. It's not going anywhere. A bonus that, the box can be moved extremely close to the one end. Number 2. Westinghouse 011-0000 Saf-T-Brace for ceiling fans. Introducing the Westinghouse Saf-T-Brace, designed for ceiling fans. This brace ensures the safety and stability of your fan, providing peace of mind. It's engineered to fit joists ranging from 16 to 24 inches. This makes it compatible with a wide variety of ceiling structures. The Saf-T-Brace is universally compatible. No matter the brand or model, it's designed to work with your ceiling fan. The package includes all the necessary mounting hardware and easy-to-follow instructions. This ensures a straightforward installation process. One of the best features is that it installs without needing access to your attic. This saves you time and effort. It features fast fingertip expansion for easy adjustment. This allows for a secure and customized fit. What we like. This fits all ceiling fans and installs without attic access. It also includes mounting hardware and instructions. If you are looking for a simple, accessible installation, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They are sturdy and they are able to support the weight of the fan perfectly. A plus was the little magnet that held the bracket in place while you start the screws that holds the box. The brace expanded easily and is designed to fit the box flush to the ceiling, which enabled us to install the ceiling fan flush to the medallion. Number 1. Westinghouse 015-2500 Saf-T-Bar for ceiling fans. This Saf-T box allows for a safe and simple installation of fans and fixtures. It's ideal for new construction projects and locations where the attic is easily accessible. The Saf-T-Bar is built to last. It can support ceiling fans up to 70 pounds or lighting fixtures up to 150 pounds. It includes 3 knockouts for conduit or Romex, and 1 Romex clamp. This gives you options for your wiring needs. The electrical box has a 15.5 cubic inch wiring capacity and is 1 to 12 inches deep. This provides plenty of space for your wiring connections. The product includes a Saf-T cap, mounting hardware, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need is included in the package. What we like. This allows safe and simple installation of fans and fixtures. It supports ceiling fans up to 70 pounds. If you are looking for a reliable solution with a large wiring capacity, this is the one for you. What people say. This electrical fan chandelier support box is great for installing weighted ceiling fans or chandeliers. This was a perfect product for me though. It does require attic access, but once I got into the tight, awkward space, getting this securely in place was easy. They are very rugged. The box is large enough for the wires, hot 1, hot 2, neutral and ground, all hardware is included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.